I was so not going to pitch. But yesterday I'm talking to so Chris from Mental Health Foundation, and so I'm going to start actually with why. So the problem, what's the problem? Asked him, and he said lack of early intervention. If you go to a GP and he's going to put you in touch with a therapist for CBT, you might be waiting months, 2 months. In that time, you do nothing, you get worse. For the psychiatrists, they just want people to take up that much of their time, and we want to maximize access to resources, right? So here's my idea. So, person goes to GP says, well, I'm going to put you 12 months waiting list. Instead of doing nothing, what he says, I can't change that, you've got to wait, but here's something you can do. So the patient goes ahead and does something. I'm not going to say what it is. I'm not even going to use the word app, but there might be, I think there's an opportunity to connect with, get the person busy so they're doing some kind of something, and it can connect with, let's say, NHS 24. You can give access to resources, you can get access to other people. So by the time you get to your therapist, instead of going, you can go, well, I've been working on it, here's some stuff. And that would reduce the amount of time you spend with the therapist in the first place. You can hit the ground running. In that time, instead of feeling disempowered, you feel in control. You're actually giving the therapist more data to work off than they would have had in the first place. That's my idea.
Who are you?
Okay, so I'm a requirements gatherer. I can scope projects. I can do a bit of front end kind of CSS and JavaScript and stuff like that. So what I need really, because I think this is more of a intervention than an app, I need representatives from patients who know GPs, who understand therapists, who understand NHS 24. Who can help me put together like a theory of change, draw some object modules, and then I think I need a user experience person, somebody who has an idea for content, but keep it simple. And then somebody who can prototype.
Okay, great.